Hi friends, it's Miss Andrews. I'm going to show you how to play our tens frame game if you have limited materials at home. I included a tens frame that you could print out on our weekly calendar for this week, but if you do not want to print one out, you can just draw your own tens frame on a piece of paper like Miss Andrews did. This is a great chance to practice counting to 10, drawing lines, following directions. So I encourage you to draw your own tens frame for a little bit of an extra challenge. So I want to show you what you can do if you don't have a dice at home. Obviously you can use a dice if you have one of those at home. You can also find electronic dice online or on your computer, but you can also just write the numbers 1 through 10 on a piece of paper like Miss Andrews did. So I just wrote all my numbers, and this is a good chance to have your child practice writing their numbers. You could provide hand over hand support, you could have them trace the numbers 1 through 10, or they could write it on their own. And then you're going to need some chips. You could use Legos, you could use counters if you have them. I found some things I had around my house that I could use. I had some little leftover chocolate eggs that I thought I could use as my counters. Or you could use pennies if you have those. Those are a great tool to help as counters. So this is how we're going to play our game. You're going to mix up your cards, or you're going to roll your dice. And you are going to pick one of your numbers. You could do this taking turns with your child, but they could also play this game on their own. So Miss Andrews picked a card and she got the number 4. So then I'm going to use my chips, and right now I'm going to choose to use my pennies and put 4 on my tens frame. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we talk about in class a lot that it's important to recount because we want to check for accuracy. 1, 2, 3, 4. I know that I have 4 on my tens frame. Then I'm going to clear my board and I can pick a new number. This is a fun game to play taking turns. You could see who gets the biggest number, who's able to count correctly. You could sing a song while you're playing this, a counting song. So there are a lot of fun things that you can do with this game. I hope you enjoyed playing it, friends, but let me know if you have any questions. Bye.